Walaikum salam.
My name is Moomin van der Steen. I'm from Rotterdam. And my question is about gender neutrality. We see that there is more and more going on about this in the media, in shops, and even on schools. So how should we tackle this problem, and how should we safeguard our children from this?
To see, there are some people who are born transgender, right? And that was the weakness which is within them since birth and from the very childhood. So we cannot change that one. And there are some people, but when they grow up, then they should be treated equally. But there are some people now who live, for instance, boys who live with the girls, or they spend most of the time with the girls, and they try to change their gender and want to be girl. That is, in Islam, it is not correct. Because then they should be taught that Allah Ta'ala has made you a male, so you should be male. And you see, in present day world, in this modern world, we see that if a boy says that I want to change my gender and want to be girl, then they get themselves operated, or they get some injections or some hormones or something like that. So that changes the hormones they have in their body. But that cannot change their physical feature. If they have the male organ, that will remain there, despite the fact that mentally they have made themselves or behave like girls. But despite that, their physical features are the same as the boys. So Islam says that Allah Ta'ala has given you some qualities. If you are a male, then you remain male. If you are a female, that you remain female. But those boys who are born males and try to change their gender because of the influence of the environment they are living in, then it is not correct in Islam. So we should teach our children that Allah Ta'ala has made you boy, so you should be boy. If Allah Ta'ala has made you girl, then you should be girl. And as far as those people are concerned who are born transgenders, that is their different case. See, they behave in a different way. And we should give them their due rights when they grow up. Right? Then.